time? Distance by speed. Okay, if I want to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, what will I do? 5 by 18. And if I want to convert meter per second into kilometer per hour, then 18 by 5. Okay. So what are the types of questions we have seen in time, distance and speed? Tell me.
Relative speed.
Very good. Relative speed we have seen. A train. There is a separate chapter also. Train. Train is passing through another platform. Train is crossing another train. Okay, something like that. We have seen it in detail. Then there is a pole. There is a tree. A person standing on a platform. How much seconds it takes to cross that man or a pole or a tree? That kind of questions we have seen. With the same logic, now we are going to solve the questions on boats and stream. Okay. So this is little easy. Okay, till half 50% of the question it is going to be based on your time, distance, speed. The rest half of the question it will be depending on your quadratic equation. Correct? So tell me, what is the quadratic equation standard formula? Standard equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. And there is a condition, that is a should not be equal to 0. This is the condition for the quadratic equation. We have seen it, right? Now, this kind of quadratic equation you will get it in this boats and chapters, boats and stream chapter. Got it? If you are able to find the value of x, you directly get the answer. Understood? So have you written down the formula for the speed? Just take it down, boats and stream, write down heading, write down the formula for speed, distance, time, and then I will explain you what is boats and stream, what logics will be applied. Speed is equal to distance covered by time taken. Speed is always in kilometer per hour. If I want to convert into meter per second, I will multiply 5 by 18. So distance is equal to speed into time, and time is equal to distance by speed. These are the basic three formulas, right? Okay. Now let me explain you boats and stream. Okay. If your concepts are clear, you will get the answer. Now, there is a boat. Okay, there is a boat. Let me take the speed of the boat be u kilometer per hour. What is the speed of the boat here? U kilometer per hour. And imagine there is a river. Imagine there is a river. The river is flowing downwards. And boat is also going downwards. Okay. The river is flowing down and the boat is also going down. Okay, so imagine the speed of the river is v kilometer per hour. I am taking the speed of the river water as what? In question they may tell you that the speed of the current. Speed of the current. Current means the speed of the river water, flowing river water. Okay, speed of the current, speed of the river, that is v kilometer per hour. This is case 1. Okay, this is case 1. Next, there is a river and here there is a boat, and like this the river is flowing here v kilometer per hour, and this is boat is going up, that is u kilometer per hour. This is case number 2. Got it? Case number 1, the boat is going down, the river is also flowing down. Case number 2, the boat is going up and the river is flowing down. Okay, now my question is, in case number 1, you can imagine something. Boat is also going, river is also flowing down. Case number 2, this is the situation. In which of the following case the boat will go faster? In which of the following case the boat will go faster? Yeah. First one. Why do you say like that? Yes, the speed of the boat, the speed, the boat has a motor, imagine. Boat is going at a speed and river is also going at a speed. So this boat will go little faster. Now here what happens? Water is flowing down, but the boat is coming up. So it has to do some extra work. Correct? So what happens? This extra work, we can say that the speed of this boat will be less. Okay. So in this case, this is called as downstream. What is this? Downstream. And this is called as upstream. This is called as what? Upstream. Now in your question, they will give you anything. Okay, the downstream speed is so much, upstream speed is so much. Find the speed of the boat in still water. Here in both the cases I have told the water is flowing. But if I ask you, suppose if there is a water, it is not moving, only the boat is moving. Okay, only the boat is moving, river is as it is, or the pond or the lake is as it is, and only the boat is going. Find the boat speed in still water. These are the kind of question. Find the speed of the boat in downstream, upstream, or speed of the boat in the still water. This kind of question. Instead of boat, they may ask you a man swimming down. Understood? Instead of this boat, they may say that man is swimming upwards. So tell me, in which case the man can swim faster? Again the first case, because the river water is flowing downwards. Okay, so did you understand? Now write down some definition, important definition. Downstream, downstream, U plus V kilometer per hour, upstream, U minus V kilometer per hour. Next, speed of boat in still water. Still means there is no movement. In still water, downstream minus upstream divided by 2. Downstream over speed of the boat in still water, downstream minus upstream divided by 2. Next, average speed of boat is equal to upstream speed into downstream speed divided by boat's speed in still water. Ready? Understood? Any doubt here? Tell me what is meant by downstream. Yes, Sagarika, tell me what is the meaning of downstream.
The flow of the river and the boat is in the same direction.
Okay, and what about upstream?
When the river is flowing downwards and the boat is moving ahead.
Okay, tell me the formula for downstream.
U plus V kilometer per hour.
Okay, downstream, yeah, upstream,
Minus V.
U minus, it will be minus. Okay, what about the speed of the boat in still water? Understood? Downstream is different, upstream is different, and to find downstream you have a different formulas. Okay, don't get confused. Understood? See, what is the formula for the speed of the boat in still water? Downstream minus upstream by 2. What is the formula for downstream? U plus V. What is the formula for upstream?
U minus V.
With this you will try to find the speed of the boat in still water. Got it? Okay, take down the first question. Ready? A boat rows downstream, covers a distance of 20 kilometer in 2 hours, while it covers the same distance upstream in 5 hours. in 5 hours. The speed of the boat, the speed of boat in still water is dash. This answer?
3 kilometers.
6 or 3?
3 sir.
Speed of the boat in still water I am asking, right?
Yes sir.
What you did?
Downstream and
Yes. Yes, what happened? You lost in boat? क्या हो गया आपकी बोट को? Yes, Sagarika, what happened? Simple question. Okay, look here, everyone. I'll try to explain. Then you can do it from the next question. Ready? Look here, look here. Look, the first sentence. What they are telling? A boat rows downstream. It is going what? Downstream. Distance, how much they are given?
20 kilometers.
20 kilometer. Next, what they are given? Time. To cover this distance, how much time it takes?
2 hours.
2 hours. What is the formula for speed?
Distance by
Distance by time. Distance is 20, time is 2. I get 10 kilometer per hour. What is this 10 kilometer per hour? Can I say this is downstream speed? Right?
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me the second sentence what they have told. The same distance.
Distance in 5 hours.
Same distance in 5 hours. That means how much? 4 kilometer per hour. So can I say this is upstream speed?
Yes sir.
Now what is the formula for the speed of the boat in still water?
Downstream minus upstream by
Downstream minus
upstream by 2.
by 2. Now can you find out? Yeah.
3
How much you get?
10 minus 4 by 2. 6 by 2. 3 kilometers.
The speed of the boat in still water. No, I give formula. I give d minus u.
Yes sir.
The speed of boat. No, it is d plus u. Just check it.
D minus U.
No, it is d plus. By mistake, I gave minus. D plus u.
Then it is 7.
7. 7. Speed of the boat in still water is 7. Okay, next question ready? You got the answer? Understood logic here? Fine. Next question. A boat travels 24 kilometer upstream in 6 hours and 20 kilometer downstream in 4 hours. In 4 hours. Then the speed of boat in still water and speed of current. Find it out. Both speed of the boat and speed of the current you have to find out. Yes. Answer.
4.5 kilometers.
4.5 is the speed of the boat in still water. Yes, what happens, Inalika? You got the answer? Yeah. Downstream, how much you get?
4 kilometers per hour.
Look here. A boat travels 24 kilometers upstream. So speed is equal to distance covered by time. 24 kilometers upstream in how many hours? 6. So this you get 4 kilometers per hour. This is the upstream speed, correct? Okay, then downstream speed, distance by time.
5 kilometers.
20 kilometer divided by 4, that is 5 kilometer per hour. So now speed of the boat in still water, correct? No, speed of the boat in still water, that is d plus u divided by 2. 5 plus 4 divided by 2, that is 9. 4.5 kilometer per hour. And next is 0.5, speed of the current.
Yes, sir.
0.5. Just you have to subtract and divide by 2. Got the answer? Understanding? Next. Yeah.
Whatever the downstream formula that we have to replace.
If a boat goes, if a boat goes 100 kilometer downstream in 10 hours and 75 kilometer upstream in 15 hours, then the speed of stream is dash. Then the speed of stream is dash. Find out. Hmm? 0. 100 kilometer downstream in 10 hours. So what is the speed?
10 kilometers per hour.
That is downstream, right? Upstream?
5 kilometers.
5. Speed of the stream, what formula you have used? 10 minus 5 divided by 2.
So why 10 minus 5?
Speed of the stream they are asking. No, they are not asking the speed of the boat in still water. If they are asking speed of the person in the still water or boat in still water, then d plus u divided by 2. This is speed of the stream.
So D plus U is speed of boat in still water.
Yeah. What they are asking here, look at this.
Speed of the
Stream, river speed they are asking. They are not asking speed of the boat.
So that is the formula.
Yes, you have to subtract. Downstream and upstream you have to subtract and divide by 2.
Okay.
Okay, so those are not getting. This is 100 by 10. This is 10 kilometer per hour. This is the downstream. And upstream, how much you get? Distance 5. 5 kilometer per hour is the upstream. And now stream, speed of the stream is given by d minus u divided by 2. 10 minus 5 divided by 2. 5 by 2, answer is 2.5 kilometer per hour. Everyone got this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
Yes.
Understood? Chalo. Next question. Take down next question. A person can row. A person can row a distance of 1 kilometer upstream in 10 minutes and downstream in 4 minutes. What is the speed of the stream? What is the speed of the stream? What is the speed of the stream? I want in kilometer per hour. I want the speed in kilometer per hour. Four point. Check.
4.5.
Yes, answer.
4.5 kilometers.
Surya, what you got? A person can draw a distance of 1 kilometer. That means speed is equal to distance covered. Time taken, distance is 1 kilometer, and they are telling what? In 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, this minute I have to convert it into hours. So what will I do?
By 60.
By 60. So what you get the speed here?
6 kilometers per hour.
6 kilometer per hour is the upstream. Correct? Now downstream will be how much? Yeah, same distance. Same distance. So it will be what? 1 by 4 by 60. How much you get? 15. 1 5. And now you have to find the speed of the stream. Yes, Sagarika, tell me what to do with the speed of the stream. What is the form?
15 minus 6 by 2.
Very good. 15 minus 6 by 2. The answer is
4.5.
4.5 kilometer per hour. 4.5 kilometer per hour. Be careful with the units here. Meter per second, kilometer per hour. Shall I move next question? Understanding or not?
Yes.
Next. Speed of a boat. Speed of a boat along and against the current are 12 kilometer per hour and 8 kilometer per hour. Then speed of current is dash. Find out in kilometer per hour.
2 kilometers. 2 kilometers. 2 kilometers.
Wait, let them do. How much?
2 kilometers.
What you did here? Yes, Ragarika, what happened? What answer you got? 2. True. Yeah, speed of the boat. They have given the speed of the boat and the speed of the current also they have given. And what they are asking? Sorry, speed of the boat.
Upstream and downstream.
Upstream and downstream they have given, right? So 12 plus 8, that is 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8 divided by 2. Yes, answer is 2 kilometer per hour. Next question. Ready? the speed of a stream is 3 kilometer per hour, and the speed of a man in still water is 5 kilometer per hour. The time taken by man to swim 26 kilometer downwards is downstream or downwards? The time taken by the man to swim downstream. Yes, answer. Speed of stream they have given 3 kilometer per hour. And what is the speed of the man in still water? Yeah, 5 kilometer per hour. Now what they are telling, distance also they have given. How much is the distance? 26 kilometer is the distance. Okay, now look here, logic, look here everyone. Imagine there is a pond. The water is still, the water is not moving, only the man is going here and there. At what speed he will go? 5 kilometer per hour. Understood? Now suppose if this water also starts moving, what happens?
3 kilometers.
The speed of the stream, how much they are given? 3 kilometer. Now tell me, this is downwards or upwards? What question they are asking? Downwards. That means we have to imagine that suddenly this water start flowing and the man is also flowing. So what speed you have to find? Upstream or downstream? Downstream. So for downstream, what did you do? The speed of the boat and the speed of the river. So here instead of boat, what is there? Man. So 5 plus 3 is equal to how much? 8 kilometer per hour. What is this 8 kilometer per hour? What speed? Downstream. Correct? Downstream speed. Okay. Now they are asking time. Downstream you got, it is 8. Distance you know, it is 26. Time they are asking. So time is equal to 26 by 8. Yes. This is your answer. 3 hours 15 minutes. Which one? Average?
No, like the formula for upstream and downstream and then making an equation.
Yeah, you can do it, but that is a long way. This was a direct question. Okay, one more question I'll give you in the same way, that time you'll understand. Same type of question. Now here you have to find the upstream. One point.
6
Yes. Upstream speed, how much you got? 2 kilometer per hour. So time is equal to distance by speed. Correct distance is how much? 10 by 2. Answer is 5. Yes, what happens, Agarika, there? Got it? Fine. So, are you finding it comfortable, this kind of questions? Yes, what happened here? Are you finding it easy? Fine. So, these kind of questions will not be asked in AFCAT. Okay? These kind of questions will not be asked in AFCAT, or maybe if you are lucky, okay, maybe if you are lucky, you may get this kind of easy question. But now the question which we are going to do, this we can expect in exam. Got it? This kind of questions we can expect in all the exams. Okay, irrespective of any officer kind of exam, write down. Put a star mark. A boat goes 12 kilometer downstream and comes back to the starting point in 3 hours if the speed of current is 3 kilometer per hour, then the speed of boat in still water, the speed of boat in still water is dash. You have to find this out. Very important. This kind of questions are expected in your exams. Just write for 2 minutes, then I'll do it here.
So the distance is twice.
It is going and coming back.
So 2 times the distance.
Okay, try.
With the same speed.
Does anyone any idea? Shall I do it? Look here. The boat is starting from here. Look here everyone, the boat is starting from here and goes and again comes back. In how many hours?
3 hours.
Total time they have given how much?
3 hours.
Total time, it is 3 hours. Did you understand this? Right? Now what they are telling, a boat goes downstream, 12 kilometer downstreams. Okay. So downstream distance is equal to how much? How much? 12 kilometer. And again it comes back to which point? Starting point. So upstream distance is equal to how much? This idea is clear? Correct? Now the river is flowing. The river is flowing. What is the speed of the river they have given? Tell loudly. 3 kilometer per hour. That means speed of stream. How much they have given? 3 kilometer per hour. Do you know the speed of the boat? Do you know the speed of the boat? No. So what will I do? Consider it as x. So here what happens? Speed of boat is equal to x kilometer per hour. Correct? Okay. What is given here is the total time. Total time. So now let me first take the case of downstream. Okay, I am taking the case of the downstream. Can you tell me how much time the boat might have taken to go to downstream? What is this formula here? Time formula.
Distance by speed.
Time is equal to distance by speed. What is the distance traveled by the boat downstream?
12.
12. What is the speed of this downstream?
3 kilometers. We don't know.
What is this downstream speed? Downstream speed. Zagarika, look here. Downstream speed means what? Speed of the boat plus
Speed of the current.
speed of the boat plus speed of the stream. So can I write here x plus 3?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand?
Yes.
This is the time taken by what? The boat to go downstream. Idea clear? Now you will tell me for upstream. I am writing here upstream. The time formula is distance by speed. What is the distance covered upstream?
12.
12. What is upstream speed?
X.
Huh?
We don't
Only x. X is the boat speed upstream.
X minus
X minus 3. What is that?
X
X minus 3. So can I say this is the time taken by the upstream?
Yes, sir.
Now, if the boat is going down and going up again, that means this plus this is equal to how many hours?
3 hours.
Is equal to how many hours? So 12 x plus 3 plus 12 x minus 3 is equal to 3. This is the equation you get. Now can you solve it?
Yes, sir.
Cross multiply and do it. Chalo, start doing it. Now you get a quadratic equation. Nine kilometer per hour. I am getting 9 kilometer per hour. क्या हुआ? इसलिए मैंने quadratic equation पहले लिया था, ठीक है? Okay, answer. But when I looking towards boat के बाद Yeah.
This kind of question
This kind of question
they ask now.
they ask. But there is one more challenge in AFCAT, I'll tell you what. From I think 2015, since the day it has gone online, I'll tell you what is happening in boards and stream. Yes, you're getting the answer. I have solved the quadratic equation also on the board. So this is the reason why we have spent one day to find the value of x. Quadratic equation, we have spent lot of questions, right? Now you understood what is going to happen here. What I am doing is that here 12 into x minus 3. Look at what I have done and what you people are doing. You are multiplying 12 into x and minus 3 like that, right?
Yes.
What I am doing is that 12 into x minus 3 I am writing here. 12 into x plus 3 I am writing here. And this 3, a plus b into a minus b is what? A square minus b square. So this 3 into x square minus 9. Over? Okay. Now what I am doing, this 12 I am taking common outside. Here also 12 is there, here also 12 is there. 12 I will take outside. What is left inside? X minus 3 plus x plus 3. X minus 3 plus x plus 3, and here it is 3. Now I can cancel 3 ones are 3 fours are. And inside bracket minus 3 plus 3 gets cancelled, you are left with 2x. 4 into 2 is 8x, and here right side x square minus 9. So now here you get an equation x square minus 8x minus 9 is equal to 0. I don't know the method of factorization. What to do? I can use a formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. You can use this, but imagine how tough it will become. 9 square, 4 into 9 into this. Okay, again there is a long calculation. Okay? You understood now? Same type, just changing the datas. I will give you one more question, take it down. Now everyone should get it, don't panic, do it slowly. This let the speed of boat x kilometer per hour. The current of the stream runs. So speed of current is equal to 4 kilometer per hour. A boat goes 6 kilometer, comes back to the starting point. That means distance 6 kilometer, and the total time taken is 2 hours. The speed of the boat. First, let us go with the downstream. Time is equal to distance by speed. Distance is 6 and the speed is x plus 4. And upstream will be x minus 4. Upstream will be time is equal to distance by speed. Distance is 6, x minus 4. And the total time is 2. That means 6, x plus 4 plus 6, x minus 4 is equal to 2. Now I have to solve this quadratic equation. 6, x minus 4 plus 6, x minus 4 plus 2 into x square minus 16. I take 6 common here. X minus 4 plus x minus 4 is equal to 2 into x square minus 16. 2 ones are, 2 threes are. Which one? This is plus. Okay, so this both gets cancelled. So 2x is equal to x square minus 16. So x square minus 6x minus 16 is equal to 0. So 2 8s are 16. Correct? So x square minus 8x plus 2x minus 16 is equal to 0. X into x minus 8 plus 2 into x minus 8 is equal to 0. X plus 2 into bracket x minus 8 is equal to 0. X plus 2 is equal to 0. X minus 8 is equal to 0. X is minus 2 and x is plus 8. Always the speed is not in negative, so I take the value plus 8 km per hour. The speed of the boat is plus 8 km per hour. Understood? If you are able to do this kind of question, you can say that you are prepared for this AFCAT. Got it? AFCAT or CGL, whatever exams you are trying. Those who are not knowing how to solve the quadratic equation, take it seriously. You are losing 3 marks. You have attended time and distance speed, boats and stream classes here. That doesn't matter. You need to know how to solve this quadratic equation. Okay, Sagarika and all. What about you, Akila? Okay, take down. Next question. Speed of a boat. Speed of a boat is 5 km per hour in still water, and speed of stream is 3 km per hour. If the boat takes 3 hours to go to a place and come back the distance of the place is dash. You can say find the distance. Who is the first Indian Governor General of Free India? Who is the first Indian Governor General of Free India? C. Rajagopalachari. This was the question asked yesterday, Sainik School. Okay. Then fundamental rights questions were asked. Evening I will discuss that. GK questions. Okay. Speed of boat is 5 km per hour. Next you have speed of stream. They have given as 3 km per hour. Correct. Now, what is the total time they have given? 3 hours. So total time they have given it as 3 hours. Okay. Now let me use downstream first. Okay, downstream. So here we have to find the distance. I don't know the distance. So time is equal to distance by speed. Time is equal to distance by speed. I don't know the distance, write d as it is. But do you know the downstream speed? What you should do? 5 plus 3, how much? 8. Now for upstream, tell me. Time is equal to distance by speed. Distance, yeah? 2. 2. So d by 2. Okay. So now what happens? D by 8 plus d by 2 is equal to how much? 3. Correct. Now can you solve? Can you find the value of d? 4.8. Yes. How much answers go? 4.8. Yes, okay. So this was the last question in boats and stream. That's it. Okay. Now, one danger in this chapter. What is that? We have seen previous two questions, right? D by something like that. That kind of question they will ask you in AFCAT. But most of the time in AFCAT, many students they cannot solve this boats and stream because the question data are like that. Okay, so in exam, keep one thing in mind. In exam, if the questions, if you are getting the answer by this method, you tick it. If you are not getting it, leave that. Don't answer it. Okay, don't answer it because some data are like that. Let me give an example. There was a question asked. A person goes to place A to B. Okay, a person goes from A to B in a boat and he is wearing a cap. They gave the speed of the boat, they gave the speed of the stream, and he goes back again. While going back again, he realized that 6 kilometers behind his cap fell down. Okay, and the river is going in this direction. So again he went back, he got this cap, and again he came to this place. So find the distance traveled, something like that they had asked. Okay, this kind of question, it was like purposely twisted. Here and there they will give you some values change. If you are able to solve this question, getting the answer, do it. Otherwise, leave it. Don't waste time in exam hall. Keep trying this kind of questions. Okay. So almost now for AFCAT we have done everything. Okay. For example, simplification. Then you have exponent. Then ratio and proportion. HCF and LCM. Okay. Then you have average. Then time and work. Then you have pipes and cistern. Then you have time, distance, speed, boats and stream, percentage. Now what is remaining? Profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest. These chapters are remaining. Okay, this is interesting, tricky and little tough. This we will do it slowly. But right now, what is your goal? You have to be master in this mathematics, these chapters. So minimum 12 questions will be asked from this. Rest 3 to 4 questions are from this chapter. Even if you skip this chapter, you should get 36 marks in AFCAT exams. How much? 36 marks in AFCAT exam. Then in your GK also we can focus. Countries, capitals, ports, okay, medieval history, everything will focus. So now ball is in your court. Day and night, study for just 1 hour, 2 hours. Don't work too hard. take mathematics daily, take mathematics night, morning, do these chapters again and again. If you want more questions, I will give you more questions. Okay, apart from what I have given in the class, if you want more thing, I will give it to you, and slowly from today onwards, we'll try to go back to these chapters and we'll get whatever I have given, no, 200 questions from each chapter. That we will try to discuss the answers, solutions. Okay, fine. Chalo, you can go to ground now. Go for practice. Quadratic equation again you try to do at home. If you are not getting, tell me.
So there are certain questions with HCM and in ratio to product.
Yeah.
As and when I find it, I will just.
Yeah. Just send me in WhatsApp images. I'll just tell you the answer. Yeah, man. बोलो क्या?
आज से ग्राउंड पे जाऊंगा।
ठीक है.